Pisces, 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 Pisces. Patience, 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 patience. That is the moment of this full moon. Patience, patience, patience. Intro. Guess what? You are loved. Okay, full moon in Pisces. It's a doozle bopple. Before we get into the juice of it, New York, I'm doing my first in-person workshop. Thursday, September 30th, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. ZODIACAL flow. One part learning about the astrological journey. Second part, we imbue it into our bodies with some yoga. It's gonna be so fun. If you're in the New York area and you can attend, like, let's do this. Alchemical Studios, registration on my website, at the shop, under workshops, beep bada bop bop. If you're not in New York and you want me to come to you to do the workshop, let's talk about it. Okay, the energies of this moment are very intense. The full moon is right next to Neptune in Pisces, in the Pisces. What is Neptune? Neptune is dreams, harmony, love, sensitivity, childhood attachments, delusion, religion suppression, consumption of entertainment, music. The sun is in Virgo. Virgo says, I love the details. I love the ritual. I love the autonomy. I love the day-to-day lists. I love my body. I love my health. I love my physical sense of my day-to-day life. I love doing things. I love gifting service. I love being of value. I love being important. Right now, what was started in Aries is now at the final stages of getting ritualized in Virgo. We are about to, Libra season, go into having other people come on board with this project. And then we're going to make our way back to the Pisces full expression of it. So we are feeling, moon, feeling the end of the adventure halfway through. We are feeling the big harmonious completion moment of what was energetically started inside of us. This is why this feels so overwhelming at the moment. Because here we are, sun saying, focus on ritual, focus on day-to-day, focus on the now, focus here. We have this full moon moment of like, but wait, all of the other things. It's Coritus. Choir. It's like the Tabernacle Choir singing. So what we're going to do today with the tarot is, what is the reflective moment that we need to know to become aware of to get past the drama? What is it that we need to just exalt, that we need to get clarity on so that we can move forward back to our day-to-day ritual? What is it that we need to feel so that we can execute? The Neptune moment right next to the moon is going to provide cloudiness. It's going to provide a huge sense of weight to it, and it's not going to be delivered in a clear way. That's why we need some meditation time. So, we're going to talk about what the access point to that meditation is. Pisces. This is the Chariot upside down. This is manifestation upside down. We can do it because we've done it before. We can dream it because we've already known it. So, with the moon in Pisces, you have the focus of our soul is basically standing on the shore. You have your your soul's moment right with mom. You have your Neptune soul, your Neptune knowledge of every life that you've ever lived and every consciousness that's currently bouncing right now, and higher forms of emotional intelligence that you've learned that are here ready to help you. Have all of it. Your beach is filled with your energy guides, with your spirit guides, with your soul people, with your soul souls. Your beach right now is filled with all of the things that you need to harmonize with on a soul level. So what you're manifesting now is something that you've manifested in past lives. Many past lives ago. With Neptune in Pisces, it's as if the bottom of the deep sea floor dropped out and we're just circling. We're just circling in consciousness, circling in knowingness, circling in soul moments. So with the moon here, it's like, whoa! We are also, if we've been journeying to the astrological calendar, then here we are, furthest away from what was started. Here we are so far away from spiritual explosion, from harmony. We're at the most pianissimo moment. And so to have the moon in Pisces right next to Neptune is like, from the furthest away, we get to hear the choir again. From the furthest away, we get to turn the sound up and remember what was started, and remember where we're going, and feel what the end will feel like. We get to hear the end of the song. And it's like, we get to breathe again. We get to like, oh, I'm okay. Virgo is sometimes too grounded for us. For the Pisces, Virgo is our opposite. Virgo's like, I don't want to list. I don't want to go to work. I don't want to do the dishes. I don't want to clean the house. I don't want to go get groceries. I want to hear my dreams. I don't want to do the laundry. I want to sing. I want to sing with my soul. During this full moon, you have an opportunity to complete a manifestation from a past life. You have an opportunity to blow the clouds away, to clarify what your soul is trying to manifest. I'm going to say that one more time. You have an opportunity to blow the clouds away, to clarify what your soul is trying to manifest for you. This is a profound moment. Yesterday was horrendous for me. It was straight up depression. That's why I say patience. We're gonna have some highs and lows during this full moon moment. So give yourself grace. Let yourself feel the low, let yourself enjoy the high, and let yourself listen the entire time for your soul's clarity. I'm here if you want to do a reading. Okay, come on, love. You are so loved. Give yourself grace, give yourself time, give yourself some meditative moments. Listen to your most beautiful music that makes you feel. Listen to something that makes you think. Have conversations that put you in a reflective, introspective place. Choose meditation, choose soul, choose spirit, choose love, choose harmony. When you're watching television, you're ingesting somebody else's story. Neptune really wants you to spend time with it so that you get to discover your story. This is also, Neptune is perception time. Saturn is actual minutes. Neptune is perception time. So we're kind of going on we're going to be kind of skewed with time right now. We're going to be in a moment of like, have I been doing something for 5 minutes or 5 hours? Like, just give yourself breath. Give yourself grace. Give yourself love. Allow yourself to zone out. Allow yourself to get lost in something. Allow yourself to create. It doesn't have to be good. You don't have to share it. Do whatever it is that gets you in a space of speaking with your intuitive soul. I am always here for you. PaulFlanagan.com for appointment booking, the workshops, random videos. Goodbye.